alpha is equal to this, beta is equal to this. So find out the value. So first we can write the alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is equal to, we can write the -1 minus root 3 by 2. This is into the -1 plus minus root 3 by 2. This is into. So first we can write this is multiply of this. There is the, we take this is the A and this is the B, this is the A, this is the B. So this is the minus and this is the plus. So A minus B into A plus B. So there is the A square minus B square formula. So we can write this is the square of this minus root 3. This is the square of this. And there is the 2 into 2. So there is the 4. And now this is root 3. Root 3 is equal to, we can write the 3 into -1 and root 3, and this is the root -1, this is the I. So is equal to, we can write this is the, this is, and this is the minus, this is, we can write the minus root 3, this is the I square, we can write this. And now this is the 4, and now again this is the root, this is the 1 square, and this is the I square. So I square is equal to the -1. So this is the -1 and this is the minus. So this is the plus and root, and this is square to cut. So there is the 3 and this is the 4. So 4 by 4, this is the 1. We find out this value is 1. And now alpha plus beta. So there you can write the -3 and the minus root 3 by 2 and plus -1, the plus root 3 by 2. And now there is the LCM is 2, and there is the -1 minus root 3 plus, this is the -1 and this is the plus, there is the, right. And now this is the plus -3 and this is the minus root 3. So there is the cut, and there is the -1, this is -1, and this is the minus and minus. So we can write this is the minus and plus, so it is the -1, and this is the 2. So there is the minus, this is the -2 by the 2. So there is the -1. So A plus B value is this -1, and this value is the +1. And now this, so S alpha square, alpha beta by beta square. And now we can write the, this is the alpha square 2 alpha beta and the beta square minus alpha beta, and this is the A plus B whole square formula. So we can write the alpha plus beta, this is the whole square, and this is the minus alpha beta, and this value is, this is the -1, so -1 square, and this is the alpha beta, so this is the 1, so 1, and this is the -1 square, so this is the 1, and this is the -1, so 0. So this value is 0.